This is the thing that you've all been sitting tight for, or the someplace north of a large portion of the million who put down $1,000 to pre-order one. In any case, this is the Tesla Model 3, the hotly anticipated answer for Tesla's most concerning issue. It offers autos that a great many people can't bear. It's the Model 3 that stands ready to move Tesla from wholly optimistic startup to real, cynic-free corporate achievement. That is a great deal of strain to put on a solitary $35,000 auto, and there's one issue as of now. The auto you're taking a gander at really costs $56,500. That moves it from being a contender of the $37,495 Chevrolet Bolt Evan up into the scope of a pleasantly prepared BMW 3 Series, or even a base 530e. How about we begin there? Commonly at Roadshow we don't discuss design until the finish of an audit. In any case, since cost is such an immense piece of the Model 3's appeal, I will get it off the beaten path front and center. The Tesla Model 3 hypothetically begins at $35,000. For that you'll get an auto with a sound 220 miles of range and a 0-60 time of around 5.6 seconds. That execution is keeping pace with a $40,000 BMW 330i, and a couple of tenths faster than the $45,600 BMW 330e half and half. In any case, for the time being at any rate, you can just get the Model 3 long range, and that begins at $44,000. There's a decent possibility you'll need to include another $5,000 for the premium package, which includes present-day necessities, for example, warmed seats. Tesla's tremendously built-up autopilot driver help bundle is a further $5,000, and in the event that you need to include the future full self-driving limit, that'll be $3,000 more. Include another $1,500 for the haggles, $1,000 to get the red multi-coat paint. On the auto we tried, it indicates a last sticker cost of $56,500, in addition to a further $1,000 gold charge. Indeed, you could escape for as meager as $44,000 at this moment, yet then you'd be moving on an auto with no warmed seats, and when you're talking this much cash, that just feels off base. On the off chance that I were purchasing, I'd avoid the paint and locate my own wheels to spare $2,500. I'd additionally take the bid and leave off the future self-driving choice, giving me a cost of $54,000. Only for correlation's purpose, a BMW 530e half and half begins at $52,650.